Well, that was another lively event from the East Midlands Cyber Security Forum where we were talking about cloud security. This particular time the question and answer session took an unexpected direction. Steve Dennis talked about how his organisation, a large utility company, had outsourced a large amount of their services to the cloud and were looking at outsourcing even more. During his presentation, he talked about how they use the Cloud Security Alliance models to assess whether those providers were providing the appropriate level of security for their business. During that presentation, he talked about the obvious needs for data protection and to consider where the data resides amongst those cloud service providers. Well, I say the obvious consideration because when it came to the question and answers, a number of people started raising questions in that area. It became apparent they really hadn't considered that as data owners, when they were moving data to the cloud, it was still their responsibility to assess where that data is going to be stored. They couldn't just pass that problem to the cloud security provider and expect them to do the right thing. As one of the people in the audience said, you cannot outsource liability. It is still your problem. And so I thought that was a kind of really interesting perspective when we were talking about cloud security. We actually got into data protection, which revisited quite a bit of the ground from a previous East Midlands Cyber Security Forum event where we talked in depth about the General Data Protection Regulation. If you want to find out more about the Data Protection Regulation, then there are resources on our website which give you information about that particular event we ran a few months ago.